Hello viewers, I am Medashik, student of Computer Science and Engineering of Russian University of Engineering and Technology. Here I am showing you my first software development project, and my project name is ArticlePad. It is a simple text editor. I use Java as my project language, and I use NetBeans 8.0 software to develop it. Now I am showing you the functionality of my project. Here you can see my article pad. At first I will show you making a new file and save it in any desired directory. So to create a new file, go to File, New, and a confirmation dialog appears. Here you can see, are you sure this will make an erase of any unsaved document? Yes, I will create a new file, so click yes. And here you can write anything. Okay, now I will save it. Save as. I will save it in the D drive and named it save. Now it is saved. Article pad hyphen the save name of the file. Now I am showing you to open a file of type .text, .c, .cpp, .java and .xml. So to open a file from my computer, go to File, Open, and I will open first a .text file, youtube.txt, open. Hello viewers, how are you? So successfully it works. Again open .cpp file. It is a C++ program. Open. Yeah, it works. Again open .xml file. Open. Yeah, it works. Open .java file. It is a Java program. Open .c program. .c file. It is a C program. Open, and it works. And if you want to print something like a text file or a text or a page, then you simply click here and all the printing functions and printing opportunities appears here, and here you can select number of copies and other settings, and if you click print, then printing starts. So as I will not print, so I click cancel, and if you click exit, then a confirmation window appears, and if you click here yes, then the article pad will close. As I will not close now, so I click no. Then I will show you how to edit text. edit, and here you copy, cut, paste, clear, select all, and set time and date. So I will show you one by one. At first I will show you copying text. So to copy text, we have to select first. So select it, copy the selected text, paste, it works. To cut, we have also select text first, select, cut, and it works. Again paste, it works. We have again select the text to show clear function, and if you click clear, yes, it works. And if you want to select all the text in your text file, then click select all, and you see here all the text is selected now, so it works. And if you want to save the history of your text document, you can easily do it by clicking time and date. Click it, time, date. Next I will see you the format, word wrapping. What is word wrapping? You can know from the internet. Word wrapping, I first keep my word wrapping on, then what happens, let's see. Automatically there a new line appears, you see, automatically there a new line appears. And if you off the word wrapping, then what happens? There no new line appears, so you should understand what the functionality of word wrapping on and off. Then I will show you the font name. I have included here. Font name Lucida Console, Courier, Sans Serif, Times New Roman, Arial, Artana, Tahoma, System, Consoler, Comic Sans MX, Century Gothic. So at first I select the font Lucida Console, and it works. Font Sans Serif, it works. Font Times New Roman, and it also works, and all the fonts will be worked correctly. Now I will show you font style. Here I included 4 font style: regular, bold, italic, bold, italic. If you click regular, the text here you can see the text is now plain text. If you click bold, then it will be bold. Font style, italic, it will now italic, you see. And if you want to increase or shrink the font size, click 8 and it's the font size, and now the font size it is 8, font size 25, font size 28, sorry, font size 36, format font size 48, and it works correctly. Next I will show you how to change the background color of my article pad. And now the background color you see is black. If you want to change it, then format, background color, blue, it is now blue, background color, it is now red, background color, it is now green. As the background and foreground color is same, so we can't differ the foreground and background color, and so we can't see the text. Now we change the background color to white, background color to gray, and it works correctly. Now I will see you to change the foreground color, that is text color. So to change text color, go format, foreground color, blue, and it will blue, foreground color red, now it's red, green, now it's green, black, now it's black, and you see that it works. Then if you want to view help, then click help and go to view help, click it, and some shortcuts, you can see some shortcuts here. Okay, and here I include a menu contact, contact me. Here my email ID is included. If you want to give me any suggestions or any comments, then you can do it. So it is my project, and my Notepad or article pad also supports shortcuts. For example, if we want to open a new file, then simply click Ctrl N, and are you sure this will make an erase of any unsaved document? Yes. Then write something to it, then save it. Just click Ctrl S. Yes, you can save it. Yes. It is saved now. If you want to open a file from your computer, just click Ctrl O. Now open. Yes, it works. If you want to print, just click Ctrl P, and printing option appears. If you want to exit, just press Ctrl E, and a confirmation dialog appears. If you click yes, the article pad will be closed. As I will not close now, so click no. And if you want to copy, then you can do it. At first you have to select, then to copy, press Ctrl C, and it is now copied. And to paste, just press Ctrl V, and it works. And if you want to cut, you have to select first, then to cut, Control X and it works. Control E to paste. And if you want to clear, then just select the text you want to clear, then simply press the delete button of your keyboard or computer or laptop. Delete, yes, it works. And if you want to select all the text, just press Ctrl A and all the text of your text file is selected. If you want to view help, then just press Ctrl F and it appears. And if you want to contact information, then just press Ctrl I and it works. So my project also supports shortcut. Now I am showing you my project source code, that is how I have implemented. Here you can show I import some necessary class like swing, AWT, and some more for corresponding purposes. Here my Notepad 1 class, and I use extends and implements. Here extend used. Extend is the keyword used to inherit the properties of a class, and implement is used for implement an interface. Here my Notepad 1 class inherits the JFrame class, and here implements is used for action listener interface. Here you can see I use JFile chooser to choose file for opening. Here I use JText area for text area. Here I use JFrame to get window frame. Here I use Gregorian calendar to get time and date of computer. Here I declare months for the 12 months in the year. Here I use JMenu bar to add the menu bar in the article pad. Here I declare some menu to add the menu in the menu bar. Here you can see I add file, edit, format, help, contact, menu in the menu bar. And here I declare some menu item like new, open, save as, exit, copy, and more. For the menu item such as new, open, save as, print, page setup, exit, copy, cart, paste, on, off, word trap, font family, Lucida, and printer job for print something or print functionality. Here it is my constructor. And set location to move the JFrame and Windows. Set title, I set the title of my JFrame to article pad, and set size. The default size of my article pad is in the x-axis 700 pixel and in the y-axis 500 pixel. Set default close operation to nothing on close. Here I use do nothing on close uh, for one purpose. Let's see. If you click the cross button in the window, then there appears a confirmation dialog box. Do you really wish to exit the application? Click no. If you want to do this, then you have to do it, and I use here window event to do it. If we don't use it, then without any confirmation the window closes. And for the next section, I add the menu and menu items in the menu bar and in the menu. And also add the shortcut functionality here. Here you can see I add file as a menu in the menu bar, then new as a menu item in the file menu, then open as a menu item in the file menu, as well as save as, print preview, exit. Again I add edit as a menu in the menu bar, and then copy, cut, paste, clear, save all, time, date, etc. as the menu item in the edit menu. Similarly for the next section. And then action event method, and if we click file new, then actually this if works, and if you click new, then this confirmation dialog appears. Show confirm dialog, notepad.this, are you sure this will make an errors? If yes option, then jtexta.set text plain text, and it's set to null. Let's see it. If you go to file new, then are you sure this will make an erase? Yes, and the text area will be erased. And if you click open, then open functionality appears, and if you click save as, then save option appears, and if you click print, then print appears, and if you click print preview, then page setup option appears, and if you click exit, then there appears a confirm dialog, are you sure you want to exit? And if yes option, then system will be closed. If get source equal save all, then jtexta.select all, and similarly for the copy, cut, paste. And if you want to clear, then at first select the text, and then replace change to null to the selected text. And if the get source equals time date, then set the time date of your computer. If the get source equals to word wrap on, then jtext a dot set line wrap true, and inversely for the word wrap off, that is false. And if get source equals frame 1, then font will be Lucida console. Similarly for the Courier Sans Serif Times New Roman, and for all the font name, and similarly for the font style to plain or regular, italic, bold, bold italic, and similar for the text size. Here is the text size 8, then 11, then 14, and similarly for the next. And if you click the help option, then a message dialog appears. This is the message dialog appears here. If you click help, this message dialog appears. If get source equals be blue, then background color will be blue, and similar for the next. And if you click F red, then foreground color will be red. And if you click contact me, then there a message will be showed, and this message is this article pad is developed by my name and my email, and this is my project. That's all.